Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Alam nyo ba? So may re-react na naman tayong video na galing kay The Most. So ang sabi nga dito, Airbus Defense and Space joins Armed Forces of the Philippines Modernization. Wow! Ano yung mga aircraft ang pinag-tira ba natin yan? Or sabi kasi joins Armed Forces eh. O may planong bilhin ng ating Armed Forces na Airbus. Ano yan? Aeroplano ba yan? Helicopter ba yan? Ano kaya? So tara, alamin na natin. May flares. Nice.
Airbus has offered defense equipment and aircraft to support the Armed Forces of the Philippines AFP modernization program. Airbus chief representative for the Philippines stated that Asia-Pacific countries are hiking defense budgets and ordering more aircraft to boost defense capabilities amid rising threats and advised Manila to do the same. Airbus chief representative for the Philippines shared that the aircraft giant is currently in talks with the Philippine Air Force and has proposed selling transport aircraft, helicopters, and an air defense system among other military assets. The proposal comes in light of the AFP's Re-Horizon 3 phase, focused on enhancing the country's archipelagic defense capabilities, particularly protecting the country's exclusive economic zone involved in territorial disputes with China. To achieve this objective, the plan outlines the need to acquire and expand platforms that strengthen the country's domain awareness, connectivity, surveillance, reconnaissance, and intelligence gathering capabilities. The Philippines already owns 7 C-295 medium-lift aircraft.
So mali yung nababanggit ko sa mga dati ko mga videos na dalawa lang. Ang ating C-295, pito pala. So, stand corrected po. 7. Binabawasan ko, dinalawa ko lang. Di ba na-accident pa yung isa? So, isa na lang. So, 6 pa ang working natin. So, sana yung isa pa nga, maayos pa. At magamit pa natin ulit. Kasi talagang napapakinabangan din natin ito, lalo sa may mga sakuna. At sila yung nagdi-deliver o sila yung nagdadala ng mga tulong para sa ating mga kababayan na sa lanta ng bagyo o anumang kapangailangan ng ating mamamayan, di ba? Kaya malaking tulong talaga ito. At kung madadagdagan pa ng Airbus na additional, mas maganda, di ba?
And Airbus proposed the possible procurement of its retrofitted variant equipped with radar for surveillance missions. It can carry a payload of up to 9 tons or 71 troops and cruise at a top speed of 260 knots, 299 miles, 482 kilometers per hour. The A330 Multi-Role Tanker Transport, MRTT, is a versatile aircraft offered to the Philippine Air Force PEF, primarily designed for air-to-air refueling, which is vital for extending the operational range of fighter jets. Developed by Airbus, the A330 MRTT has proven capabilities, serving in several air forces around the world. Equipped with both boom and hose and drogue systems, the A330 MRTT can refuel multiple types of aircraft in flight, making it adaptable to different air forces' needs. The A330 MRTT can transport troops and cargo and is capable of carrying up to 45 tons of equipment or up to 300 personnel. Its medical evacuation, MEDEVAC, role can support critical missions, transporting up to 130 stretchers with patients. The A330 MRTT's extended range allows it to remain airborne for long durations, enhancing the operational reach of the PAF's fleet, especially if paired with new fighter jets. If acquired, the A330 MRTT would greatly boost the Philippines' air capabilities, not only in defense, but also in strategic support roles.
Correct.
For heavy cargo transport to remote or austere locations, humanitarian assistance, and resupply missions, Airbus pitched its A400M transport aircraft. The Airbus A400M is a highly advanced tactical airlifter being considered for the Philippine Air Force, PAF,
C-130.
known for its versatility and heavy lift capabilities, filling a role between the C-130 Hercules and larger strategic airlifters. Its powerful turboprop engines allow it to operate from short and unpaved runways, making it suitable for varied terrain across the Philippines. Key features of the A400M include its 37-ton payload capacity, which can accommodate heavy military equipment, vehicles, and helicopters, allowing it to transport large loads that many other airlifters cannot manage. It also has a range of up to 4,800 nautical miles, ideal for extended missions across the archipelago or internationally. Additionally, the aircraft's defensive systems make it capable of operating in potentially hostile environments. If accepted, the A400M could play a central role in modernizing the Philippine Air Force's transport fleet, complementing other transport assets like the C-130 Hercules and potentially the A330 MRTT for multi-role and strategic missions. The H-225M multi-role helicopter, offered to the Philippine Coast Guard, is a highly capable aircraft designed for a range of missions, including search and rescue, SAR, maritime patrol, and humanitarian assistance. Known for its endurance,
Kung medium lift yan, helicopter yan. Kasi kailangan natin eh. Yung heavy lift, saka medium lift helicopter. Yun ang kailangan natin. Sa ngayon, ng malaking helicopter kasi ang pinakamalaki natin helicopter lang is yung Black Hawk. Yan na yun kapag may mga disaster sa kuna eh. Isa yun sa mga ginagamit natin. So, hindi ganun karami ang nadadala ng Black Hawk. So, kailangan talaga natin ng malaking helicopter din na pwedeng lagyan ng maraming loads para yun nga, madala natin ng maayos at marami yung mga pangailangan nating mga kababayan, lalo na kapag may disasters nga. So, sana, kung medium lift o heavy lift helicopter, kailangan talaga natin yan. Kasi nasa vlog yun, di ba? Yung dati kong video na ba't kailangan natin ng mas malaking helicopter. Panoorin nyo rin yung mga idolo.
The H-225M has a range of up to 700 nautical miles with auxiliary fuel tanks, making it suitable for long-range operations over open water, which is essential for a country with an extensive coastline and vast maritime responsibilities like the Philippines. This helicopter is part of the Airbus H-225 family, known for its advanced avionics, autopilot systems, and durability in challenging environments. With its capacity to carry up to 28 passengers or a significant cargo load, the H-225M could enable the Philippine Coast Guard to conduct large-scale SAR missions.
Kasi, medium lift yan. Kasi 28 passengers ang kasya. Wow, dami.
Medical evacuations, and disaster. With its capacity to carry up to 28 passengers or a significant cargo load, the H-225M could enable the Philippine Coast Guard to conduct large-scale SAR missions, medical evacuations, and disaster response operations effectively. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to learn SAR missions, with its capacity to carry up to 28 passengers or a significant cargo load, the H-225M could enable.
Oh, parang may machine guns din siya sa harap, oh. Pwede rin lagyan. Pwede may radar din. Stick din itsura, no? Oh. Pwede lagyan din ng mga missile siguro din yan.
The Philippine Coast Guard to conduct large-scale SAR missions, medical evacuations, and disaster response operations effectively. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy this video and want to learn more about the equipment and the modernization program,
Pero mga videos na nakatalo. So yun. Alam kasi ang plano, alam ko, magdagdag pa ng C295 eh. So, yun, may bagong offer ang Airbus. So, kung ano man, dadaan naman siguro sa bidding yan. Kung ano man naman ang pwedeng bilhin ng ating bansa so, manggagaling sa bidding. So, whatever, kung Airbus man, kung yan din ulit si 925, basta makakatulong sa ating rescue. Sa ating mga kababayan, lalo na pagdala ng mga donations para sa kanila, para makatulong sa kanila na nasasakon na. Diba? Yun naman talagang pinagkagamitan natin usually ng mga ganyan para mapadala natin ng tulong para sa ating mga kababayan na sa lanta ng bagyo. Di ba? So, abang-abangan na lang natin guys kasi offer naman ng Airbus lang yan. So, nasa ating Department of National Defense na yan kung ano ba, magdadagdag ba tayo nito o kasya pa sa budget. Yun ang naman ang magiging problema natin, yung budget. Maraming pwedeng bilhin, maraming pwedeng mapakinabangan ng ating bansa na yung mga ganyan. Marami rin na pwede tayo magkaroon ng ganyan. Kumbaga, tawag dito, mas marami, mas okay. Kasi at least, hindi bugbuga ating mga aeroplano na yun lagi ginagamit natin. Meron pa tayong mga choices na iba na pwedeng basta lahat ng mga possible na pwedeng lagyan o madalhan, madadala natin ng maayos. Kasi nga, mas marami tayong aeroplano. Hindi hintayin muna na madala nito sa iyo, dilipad na naman, pupunta na naman sa ibang lugar. At least meron na tayong backup pa na ibang helicopter. Pero yun nga, ngayon sabi ko na sa ating Department of National Defense naman yan, kung magdadagdag pa. Okay, mga idolo. So, update na lang tayo dito kung may plano ba ang ating bansa o tawag dito, i-suggest ng ating Department of National Defense sa ating AFP or sa Air Force natin na ito ang bilhin o kung sino man manalo nga sa bidding, Airbus man o C295 is malaking tulong pa rin sa ating bansa. So, abang-abangan na lang natin mga idolo. So yun guys, so maraming salamat kay The Most. Ilalagay ko po sa description down below, full video na to, pati po ang kanyang YouTube channel. Huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe po sa kanya. At huwag niyo pong kalimutan mag-subscribe po sa aking channel, hit niyo po yung notification bell at yung like button, mga idolo. At huwag niyo rin pong kalimutan na i-follow po ako sa Facebook page na Alam Nyo Ba. So guys, dito na po tayo magtatapos. Maraming salamat po sa lahat. Ingat po tayo lagi and God bless us all. Bye-bye.